Alright guys, I'll show you how I'm going to clean out this intake manifold. There's a bunch of rust in there. It's not really horrible, but you know, it's enough to where I don't want it on the engine until I know it's somewhat cleaner. So basically I was recommended this CLR from a friend of mine. He said that he's tried it before and it works. So I already tried a little bit and it seemed to do really well on cleaning the inside out. I had soaked this thing in vinegar and stuff like that for like a week, and that took a lot of the surface rust off. But just to kind of get the rest of it, I think I'm gonna do another CLR bathe here. So basically I just want to get the stuff all over the inside and the runners, you know. So, and then I just kind of let it sit. Get it all over. And I'll just let it sit for a while. Alright, so on the bottle it said to let this thing sit for like 10 minutes. So I went ahead and let it sit for half an hour. Now I just want to scrub it out. Do some scrubbage to it with the wire brush. Alright, I'm going to let it sit a little bit longer, and then I'll be back to spray it out with the hose. Okay, so I'm done spraying it out with water, and then I went ahead and sprayed it out with some brake cleaner. And looking inside, it looks a heck of a lot better. Yeah, it's not showing up too well with the camera, but yeah, it's looking really good in there. So I think that might just do it. Basically what I'm going to do is clean it up with the wire wheel, the outside. And then I'll throw some paint on it and put it in the car. So yeah, that works. There, there's a little bit better look at the CLR treatment. It seems to have worked really well, man. It took care of all the big rust deposits in there. Just CLR and some brake cleaner really cleaned it up really well. So it's not perfect, but man, did a good job. So as far as the CLR goes, I would recommend it. It seems to work pretty good. So it cleaned up this thing, and this thing was pretty nasty inside. So yeah, peace out. Take care.